At Carretillas Amate Group, we work every day in pursuing a dream. To transform the conventional agricultural work for a modern agriculture. Our products are present in the daily life of millions of people. We support them by being part of their environment, providing them with safety and design. No matter where we are being tested. We always get the best results. Every challenge is an opportunity, betting on new technologies that allow us to optimize the processes. Our commitment to technology is a guarantee of safety and reliability, providing improvements in the different production processes. We develop more than 100 different models of products, especially machinery, maintaining a culture based on proximity, which allows us to feel part of the solution. That is why we have been leaders in our sector for more than 40 years. Since its foundation, Carretillas Amate has grown steadily to become an international family business with fully independent and sustainable production. We currently have a large international distribution network. Operating in the 5 continents and in continuous expansion. We are in a position to innovate, design, manufacture and market our products. Our task is to maintain confidence and add value to our proposal, because we are a specialized agricultural consultancy support for intensive crops. We do not create machines, we create illusion, confidence and health. Carretillas Amate, always at the vanguard of the agro-industry. We are Amate, we are innovation, we are evolution.